In 1886, two German engineers, Gottlieb Daimler and Karl Benz, forever changed the automotive industry. Their relentless pursuit of innovation led to the creation of Mercedes-Benz, a brand synonymous with luxury and performance. Daimler, a visionary inventor, introduced the world's first gasoline-powered automobile, the Mercedes-Benz three-wheel motor carriage. This breakthrough invention laid the foundation for the future of transportation. Meanwhile, Benz, with his gifted engineering skills, designed the Benz patent motorwagen, the world's first practical automobile. This revolutionary vehicle set new standards for reliability and performance. As the years went by, the Mercedes and Benz companies continued to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. They introduced groundbreaking technologies like the first four-wheel automobile and the first gasoline-powered truck. In 1926, the Daimler and Benz companies merged, giving birth to a new era of automotive excellence. The merger resulted in the formation of Mercedes-Benz, a brand that would redefine luxury and craftsmanship in the decades to come. Throughout history, Mercedes-Benz has never ceased to innovate. From the iconic Mercedes-Benz Silver Arrows, dominating the world of motorsports, to the revolutionary safety features like the crumple zone and anti-lock brakes, Mercedes-Benz has consistently pushed the limits of what is possible. Today, Mercedes-Benz continues to be a symbol of engineering perfection and luxury. Their range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, embodies elegance and performance. With cutting-edge technologies like autonomous driving and electric mobility, Mercedes-Benz paves the way for the automotive future. From dream to reality, the journey of Mercedes-Benz has been nothing short of remarkable. Their commitment to innovation and craftsmanship has earned them a place in the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. So join us as we celebrate the legacy of Mercedes-Benz, a brand that has truly shaped the course of automotive history. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about the world of automobiles.